So if you're wanting to start an online business doing digital marketing, but your biggest reason you're not starting is you're scared to death of creating content, just know you're not alone. That is probably the number one reason why people don't start their online business, because they don't want to show their face, they don't want to talk, they don't want to interact with people. But honestly, just get over it, because that was my only reason why. So if I can do it, you can do it. Half the time I wake up, throw some makeup on, throw my hair up, it's a wrap. I start my day. I hate my voice. I hate hearing myself on video, but that's just how it is. Once you actually start, make that first video and post that first video, you're gonna be shocked at how many people watch you, interact with you, don't give a crap what you sound like or what you look like. It's not worth being scared of and not starting a new future for yourself. Digital marketing is the number one thing in the world making money, because everything's digital now, and it's only going to get more digital. So be part of that. Join our community, start making money, learn along the way how to be more and more successful before the digital world becomes 3 or 4 times as big as it already is. Start making money now. Put more info in the comments and I will send you everything you need to know, and we can get you started, and you won't regret it. I didn't.